Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I would like to share you guys how to learn English easily. We have desire to learn English easily. We eagerly want to become a fluent speaker, but how? कैसे? We don't know how to speak in English even single sentence. But we want to learn English easily. If you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon whenever I upload which is Hindi English content, so you get notification easily. So we want to learn English, but we have fear, we have hesitation, we don't know how to speak English. And we think first Hindi and then we translate in English. If you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to think only English and then you speak in English. While you are speaking, first you think in Hindi and then you speak in English, so you never ever learn English easily. Why I am telling you? I have one example for you guys. You have to listen very carefully. जब भी हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं तो हम हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं, ना कि इंग्लिश बहुत सारा ला के उसमें मिक्स करते हैं. जब भी आप हिंदी में बहुत सारा इंग्लिश मिक्स करोगे तो जो सुनने जो लिसनर है ना वो भी कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा, ये लावण्या बात क्या कर रही है, खुद को नहीं पता ये हिंदी में बात करना चाह रही है कि इंग्लिश में. So you have to think when you will speak in Hindi. So at that time we first think in Hindi and then we speak in English. And what about English? We are talking about English. जब भी हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं तो हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं कि हम इंग्लिश में सोचते हैं फिर उसके बाद हिंदी में बात करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं करते ना. And what about English? If you really want to improve your spoken English, so you have to think only English and then speak in English. जब भी आप इंग्लिश में सोचते हो तो इंग्लिश में ही बात करो एंड देन सी चेंजेस, अदरवाइज यू नेवर एवर लर्न इंग्लिश इजीली. एंड यू स्टॉप हिंदी टू इंग्लिश वीडियो देखना बंद करो. व्हेन यू विल सी हिंदी टू इंग्लिश वीडियो यू नेवर एवर लर्न इंग्लिश इजीली. व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू? बिकॉज मुझे पता है, क्योंकि मैं भी पहले वैसे ही मिस्टेक करती थी जैसे आप लोग करते थे. पहले हिंदी में देखो एंड उसके बाद इंग्लिश में उसको ट्रांसलेट करो. तो जब भी आप ऐसे करते हो ना तो अपने माइंड को आप मैनिपुलेट करते हो, आप सही वर्ड्स का चुनाव नहीं कर पाते कि एक्चुअल में मैं क्या सीखूं. हम कंफ्यूज करते हैं अपने माइंड को. सो व्हाट वी थिंक, सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ग्रैब मैक्रो वर्ड्स. व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, यू हैव टू ग्रैब मैक्रो वर्ड्स. When you will grab a macro words, what is the meaning of macro words? So macro words ये होता है छोटे छोटे जो words रहते हैं. We know small words like now I am making video. Everyone knows Lavanya every day make video. And now I am watching video. And now I am scrolling video. Why I am watching video and why I am scrolling phone? Just because when I will scroll my phone, so I feel relaxed. And now why I am watching video? Just because I want to improve my spoken English. I want to learn English, so that's why I am watching Lavanya video. So these are the words. जो छोटे छोटे वर्ड होते हैं ना, जितना हो सके आप सोचो. Like now I am sitting living room and now I want to talk my friend. So where is my phone? Now I'm calling my friend and what I will talk. Yes, I have planned and I want to share my friend, and then we will go outside and then we take some tea and snacks also. And again आप another सोचो like where is my mama? ये जो वर्ड्स मैं बता रही हूँ ना, छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स बहुत काम के चीज होते हैं. तो यू हैव टू थिंक, यू हैव टू टेल वेयर इज माई मम्मा. आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक माई मम्मा. वेयर इज माई फादर? आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक माई फादर. ये बेसिक बेसिक चीज क्यों बता रही हूँ कि यू आर अ बिगनर, सो यू हैव टू थिंक ओनली बेसिक बेसिक. डोंट थिंक एडवांस. When you will think advanced level, you never ever learn. You have to clear your basic and then you dive into the advanced, isn't it? So you have to think like now I'm starving and I want to eat something, but what I will eat? I don't have food. I don't know how to cooking. Oh yes, I want to go kitchen and then open refrigerator and then there is some juice and fruits and then I will cut fruits and then I will eat and then I will tell my mama, please mama, you have to cook food for me. Now I'm starving. You know now I don't know how to cook food. You have to teach me when I will go hostel. So how can I prepare food? You have to teach mama at least few vegetables. So it's benefit for me. And then again you ask your mama, where is my father? I want to talk my father. I have question. I want to ask question because father knows everything what I want to ask and I have homework. I want to solve my homework. How can I solve my homework? Oh my god, I don't know how to solve my homework. Please, friends, you have to suggest me. These are the words. कुछ भी सोचो, anything. Yesterday I went one party. That party it's too funny, and that party I enjoy that party. And then when I came back my home and then I take tea and now I'm feeling very happy just because I ate lot of things and then you will tell again your mama, mama homework, you have to help with me, you have to help my homework and you have to tell me, you have to tell your friends we want to go outside and why we want to go outside because I want to now I have little things and when I will go outside so I will make video small video and then I upload my Insta and why I want to upload just because I want to grab a people so that's why so you have to think any kind of thing. Wow, I have good smartwatch and why I purchased that smartwatch because I love this color. This color, it's black color and I also have ring and wow, it's gold ring and I also earring. So you and wow, now I'm wearing very good cloth, scarf and then I will go outside and then I will click a picture. You have to think anything and you think only English to English. Don't think Hindi to English, isn't it? That's all. So how is my video? If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe.